Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we have a very fun unboxing and setup video, and that is for the Galaxy Buds. These are two pair of earbuds that everyone has been asking about. We got them at Unpacked, so now we're gonna take a look at just see how good of a sound quality they are, how good of a battery life, all that stuff. But for this video, we're just gonna unbox and set it up. Setup process is supposed to be really easy. Now, you do have to download the SmartThings app if you do not have a Samsung device. So all Samsung smartphones come with this app already, but if you have an older one or you do not have Samsung phone, you have an iPhone, LG, OnePlus, whatever you have, just download this app. All right. Now let's unbox it and see how good it is. Now the two reasons this one got a lot of hype was because of this. It has 6 hours of playback, but the bigger reason in my opinion would be the wireless charging. So definitely have to test it out and just see how well it does. All right, and here we have it. Now, Samsung's demo just had it when you opened it up, it would pair automatically, and it looks like it might. Kudos to Samsung if this works that easily. And it looks like it's almost done setting up. That is pretty cool. I have to give it to Samsung for that. Now, a lot of people will say, obviously, this is the same as the iPhone, which it is. So it's really, but it's perfect for Samsung to have done this on Android a lot. What was that? Oh, yeah. And so you can manage your notifications on your apps. I would just stick to the normal ones that it comes with. You can play around with it a little bit more. And so you can see how to use the touchpad, play and pause. Double tap will either skip the next track or answer the call. And triple tap will go back to the previous call. Holding it down will use the user's choice of Smart Assistant. So if you want to use a Smart Assistant, that's how you do it. Or holding it down will also decline a call. Ambient sound will kind of mess around with that. And yeah. It looks like they're all set up, which is really nice and convenient. I would mess with the equalizer, do stuff like that. Oh, looks like we have a software update, which makes sense. We got this right when it came out, so makes sense on that. And then let's go ahead and check out this box, which I'm guessing will just have extra ear tips and all that stuff. And the charger. So it comes with the charger, Type-C. And looks like here you get all the extra ear tips, which I would say could have been designed better in the box, but here they are. All these different styles if you need more of a wing, and the different wing size and the different ear tips. I do like the big variety. So yeah, I'll have to mess around with that. I'll just put these back in here for now. And I think there is something back here. And it's just probably all the papers and documentation. So yeah, you have all the documents in here. All right, guys, so yeah, it looks like it has an update right when it comes out. And it just stabilized the Bluetooth connection, but that was pretty awesome, just how it paired. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Which headphones should we compare this to? We do have our Jabra 65Ts, which were the best true wireless earbuds to date. So we're gonna test them out against these and everything else. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.